In this video, we're going to find all vowels in a piece of text. The most important part of the code that I'm about to show you is this line of code right here. So, especially this part. So basically, how does this work? Well, this is the pattern part of the regex regular expression, where A, E, I, O, U are the characters to match. They are enclosed in forward slashes, and this pattern will match any single character that is a vowel. The G flag stands for global, and it indicates that search should not stop at the first match found. Instead, it will continue to search for all matches in a given string. The I letter is the flag actually and stands for case insensitive. It means the pattern will match letters regardless of their case. So it will match all the capital letters as well as their lowercase counterparts. So let's now go to the implementation. And for that, I guess I can also remove this comment right now. And I'm going to set the string to, let's say, some text right here. Okay. Next, I'm going to code that pattern line of code where I'll set the pattern between the slashes and put the GI at the end. And here inside of square brackets, I'm going to say A, E, I, O, U. And now I can set the output to str.match pattern. And finally, I'm going to console.log the output. Okay, so let's see how this is going to work. So I'm going to go to the browser and inspect what I get. And right here, when I run this, I get 6 matches, starting basically from the letter O right here. Let's zoom that in a little bit. So letter O, then the next one is letter E, followed by another E, then followed by an I letter and another 2 E letters. So obviously this works. And there you have it, a very simple implementation to find all vowels in a piece of text.